Hi guys, so here's a problem on bearing, and this is the situation. We have to find the bearing of C from A. So C from A, let's draw a line from A to C, and the bearing of C from A will be 37 plus this angle. All right, so that is the bearing of C from A. You have to go clockwise from the north line. Now we now need to figure out this angle. Let's call this X. Now if you look at this triangle, you don't know any of the angles, you just know two of the sides. But I think it is possible to find out this angle here, and well, that can be done by finding this angle first and then taking away from 360 degrees. Now because these two north lines are parallel lines, so 37 degrees and this angle here at B, these are co-interior angles or consecutive interior angles, which means that 37 plus B will be equal to 180 degrees. So we can easily find out the angle B. Angle B will be 180 take away 37. And so that will be 143 degrees. So now this little angle here, let's call that Y. So Y is going to be 360 take away 150 and also take away 143. And that equals 67 degrees. So Y is 67 degrees. So now you have an angle of this triangle, and you also have two of the sides. So this can this is a case of cosine rule. We can apply the cosine rule to find out the length of AC. Okay, so now I'm just going to erase this and write down 67. Right, so let's try and use cosine rule. So it's going to be y squared. Let's call this y now. Y squared will be 8 squared plus 9 squared minus 2, 8, 9, 2 times 8 times 9 times cos of 67 degrees. And if you work that out on your calculator, you are going to get y squared is equal to 88.73. And so if you take the square root, you are going to get 9.4199. So this is the length of y here, or the length of AC, 9.4199. Okay, so now that we know all three sides of this triangle, we can try to get the value of X, which is this angle here. And so how about we use the sine rule this time, and then we can figure out x. So sine rule, sine x over 9 will be equal to sine 67 over 9.4199. And so sine x, if you cross multiply, you are going to get 0.87947, and then x will be sine inverse of that, and your x is going to be 61.578 degrees. So now the bearing of C from A will be this whole angle. So we need to add 37 degrees to x, and that will give us our final answer. So bearing of C from A will be 37 plus 61.578, and we have to give our answer to 1 decimal place, and so that will be equal to 98.578, which is 98.6 degrees. But be careful, bearing must always be like, it has to be 3 digits here, so make sure you put a 0 in front of your 9 to make it 3 digits. So this is the final correct answer.